Angela Asisio. And, no, did you know, kanina nagpakita tayo ng OPP video, kung mapapansin nyo, merong kumakanta doon kanina sa video. It is just a surprise. And I'm honored to tell you that that was actually our birthday celebrant. So nag-prepare po siya ngayon ng surprise number for
Sure, I guess I had maybe